Well, thank you very much for being connected and learning spoken English with my channel. My dear friend, until unless you are not knowing about all kind of vocabularies, you will not able to speak English and you will always face problem. So why you face the problem? Because you have not have sufficient learning, you don't have deep learning, you don't know the meaning of the words, and whenever you try to learn you forget the things, or maybe you don't have the words which people use on daily basis lifestyle. Maybe you are worrying about how to use these are the words, or you have doubt, you have suspension that these meanings I don't know, so I cannot able to speak, because you have never done your practice, you never did your practice. That is why you are facing problem. So my dear friend, now you can see today I have brought one of most like people which use in their conversation. These are the vocabularies very familiar and you must have heard from the people, and you must have and you might be worrying about that, what is meaning of it and how people use this. So today, hold your breath, I'm going to teach about all the things, and I'm going to give you sufficient kind of examples, the examples which will help you, which will support you to build up your communication skills, to build up your knowledge and information. Definitely you will improve, my dear friend. As you can see on board, I have mentioned such kind of words. It is very important, very necessary, and it is very important to use in your conversation, because until unless you don't have the meaning of the words, so you will not able to understand, you will not able to speak. So you should have deep understanding, you should have know the meaning of the particular words or phrases, so that your conversation can go smoothly, you can talk freely without facing any kind of problem. Confidence will come, hesitation will be removed, because of you have practice and you know the meaning of the words. So thank you very much for being connected and learning spoken English with my channel, English with Neeraj. My dear friend, as you can see, I have mentioned these are the very important things. So one by one I will describe and I will give examples. Definitely you will understand and you will complete your communication नॉलेज. माय डियर फ्रेंड, जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं, इंग्लिश के मैं उन शब्दों पे बात करूंगा, उन वर्ड्स पे बात करूंगा ताकि आपको समझ में आ जाए. ये वो सारे वर्ड्स हैं जो मोस्टली पीपल यूज करते हैं अपने कन्वर्सेशंस में, और मे भी वो दूसरे से भी सुनते हैं. इन वर्ड्स का यूज मोस्टली पीपल बहुत ज़्यादा करते हैं. तो आपके पास इंफॉर्मेशन नॉलेज होना चाहिए. टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टीच यू अबाउट ऑल दिस इंपॉर्टेंट वोकेबलरीज, बिकॉज ये सारे वर्ड्स बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. जब कभी भी आप कन्वर्सेशन करते हो तो इन वर्ड्स का आप यूज करोगे, और विदाउट यूजिंग दीज आर द वेरी यूनिक वर्ड एंड दीज आर द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंस वाइल हैविंग कन्वर्सेशन विथ एनीबडीज. when you use these words, that means your communication skill is good and you are talking without facing any kind of problem. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इन ये कन्वर्सेशनल वर्ड्स हैं जो आप अपने कन्वर्सेशन में यूज़ कर सकते हो. आप ज़्यादातर लोगों को देखोगे कि वो लोग ये इन शब्दों का यूज़ करते हैं, and they speak good and they feel good. So you have to also learn. आपको भी लर्न करना चाहिए and सीखना चाहिए. Definitely your communication skill will be improved and you will change completely the way you think that yesterday it was very difficult, very hard, I can't able to speak, I don't know what to do, I'm facing lots of problem, because you never have done practice, or you never gone through certain kind of words, certain kind of important words which people use on their daily lifestyle. So you should also learn, right? So you can see I have mentioned these are the importance. I will give you examples and I will give you some kind of words and phrases, and you will get to know and you will feel good and you can able to speak English without facing any problem. If you never watch my past videos, I have mentioned there are so many vocabulary, there are so many words and many things I have explained in my many videos. So you please visit those videos as well and improve, enhance your communication skills. Definitely you will see, yes, I am progressing, I am growing and I am developing. Definitely nobody can stop me. So here right now you can see these are very useful words I have mentioned. So first we will take unless. Unless का मतलब हिंदी में होता है अगर नहीं. Unless you are not practicing English, you can't able to speak. अगर आप प्रैक्टिस नहीं करोगे इंग्लिश की तो आप बोल नहीं पाओगे. Unless you are not practicing English, you will not able to speak. Unless you don't know the meaning of these vocabularies, you can't able to speak. जब तक ये अगर आपके पास vocabularies की नॉलेज नहीं होगी तो आप इंग्लिश नहीं बोल पाओगे. You will not able to speak English unless you don't have sufficient vocabularies, right? Unless, अगर नहीं. Plants will be die unless you will not put the water. जब तक आप वाटर प्लांट्स को नहीं दोगे तो वो डाई हो जाएगा, right? Unless I am not studying English, I can't able to speak English. Unless you are not doing practice, you will not able to speak English. Unless you are not understanding your responsibility, you will not have good things. जब तक आप अपने रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी को नहीं करोगे तब गुड थिंग्स विल नॉट हैपन, राइट. अनलेस, अगर नहीं, हिंदी में इसका मीनिंग होता है अगर नहीं, राइट. अनलेस यू आर नॉट डेडिकेटेड विथ योर करियर, यू कांट एबल टू डू एनीथिंग. जब तक आप करियर के प्रति डेडिकेटेड नहीं रहोगे तो आप कुछ नहीं कर पाओगे. अनलेस, राइट. अगर आप अपने करियर के प्रति डेडिकेटेड नहीं रहोगे, डिसिप्लिन नहीं रहोगे, सो यू कांट एबल टू डू एनीथिंग. अनलेस, राइट. Unless you are not understanding what your teacher is saying, you can't able to understand or you can't able to learn the things. You will forget. Unless, right? Now you can see till and until. इसका मीनिंग हिंदी में होता है जब तक नहीं, right? So there are like many similarity between unless and till or until. On the basis of circumstances, you can use this word unless, till, until. टिल एंड अनटिल हिंदी में इसका मीनिंग होता है जब तक नहीं. अनटिल यू विल नॉट राइट डाउन, यू विल नॉट एबल टू लर्न द वोकेबलरीज, राइट. अनटिल और टिल यू आर नॉट राइटिंग इन योर नोट्स बुक्स, you will not get familiar with the spellings. You will not get familiar with the spellings and words. जब तक आप कॉपी में राइट डाउन नहीं करोगे वर्ड्स को, तब तक स्पेलिंग से आप फैमिलियर नहीं हो पाओगे. जब तक नहीं, राइट. तब तक इसका हम जब तक नहीं या तब तक नहीं भी यूज कर सकते हैं कन्वर्सेशन के लिए, राइट. Until you are not writing in notebooks words meanings, you will not get familiar with the spellings, right. Until you are not learning, you will not able to speak English. जब तक आप लर्न नहीं करोगे तब तक इंग्लिश नहीं बोल पाओगे. Till you are not listening to the English speaker, you can't able to speak English. जब तक आप इंग्लिश स्पीकर को सुनोगे नहीं तब तक आप इंग्लिश नहीं बोल पाओगे. Till you are not listening English speaker, you can't able to speak English, right. Until I am not dedicated with my words, I can't able to speak English, right. Till जब तक. Until you are not coming here, I will not go to the party. जब तक आप आओगे नहीं तब तक मैं पार्टी में नहीं जाऊंगा. Until you are not coming at my home, I will not go to the party. Until you are not doing practice, you can't able to become perfect person. Until you not finish your 12th class, you can't able to do graduation. जब तक आप 12वीं कंप्लीट नहीं करोगे ग्रेजुएशन नहीं कर सकोगे, राइट. Until जब तक नहीं. Till and until. Till that moment you are not doing anything, you can read out the books. You can read out the books and understand the meaning of the particular words. Until you are wasting your time, you can't do anything in your life. Until I become successful, I will never give up. Until I successful, I will not stop. जब तक मैं सक्सेसफुल नहीं हो जाता तब तक मैं नहीं रुकूंगा, like until I not become successful, I can't able to hold myself. Till that moment I am doing course, I can't able to go anywhere. Till that moment I am doing the course, I can't able to go anywhere. Until I complete this work, I can't leave this. जब तक मैं ये काम को कर नहीं लूँगा मैं इसे छोड़ूंगा नहीं. Until I become successful, I will keep exploring and researching new things. जब तक मैं सक्सेसफुल नहीं हो जाता तब तक मैं चीज़ों को एक्सप्लोर करता रहूँगा और रिसर्च करता रहूँगा, राइट. Until you are not listening your father, your parents suggestions, you will get failed. जब तक आप अपने पेरेंट्स और फादर के सजेशन को नहीं समझोगे then you will get failed. Until you are not understanding the responsibility of your own, you can't achieve anything. जब तक आप अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी को नहीं समझोगे तो तब तक आप कुछ नहीं समझ कर पाओगे और कुछ अचीव नहीं कर पाओगे. Until I become successful person, I will keep working in my life. जब तक मैं सक्सेसफुल नहीं हो जाता तब तक मैं वर्क करता रहूँगा. Till the moment I am not earning money, I cannot support my family, right. Till the moment I am not like till that moment I am not earning money, I can't able to support my family. Till the time while doing or teaching English, I should also practice, right? जब तक मैं टीच कर रहा हूँ उसके अलावा मैं प्रैक्टिस भी कर सकता हूँ, जब तक, राइट, जब तक। या ये बेस करता है कि आप कैसे इंग्लिश बोल रहे हो। सर्कमटेंशियल बेसिस पे यू कैन ऑल्सो चेंज द वर्ड्स लाइक यूजिंग ऑफ टिल, अनटिल एंड अनलेस। दीज आर द वेरी सिमिलर टू ईच अदर। डेफिनेटली यू कैन एबल टू स्पीक। देयर इज नो एनी पर्टिकुलर मीनिंग, right? There is no any particular meaning, but you should understand what context और what situation basis पे आप इसको use कर रहे हो। Situational basis पे in English there is not any particular meanings. On the basis of situations you can use whatever the words and phrases it satisfied the line, satisfied the yourself and satisfied the other people. Those words, those things you can speak while having conversation. There is not any particular meanings. It is all is a sense of understanding, right? As soon as, जैसे ही, as soon as, जैसे ही, right? As soon as, जैसे ही, as soon as I came at my home, I saw someone was shouting, right? जैसे ही मैं घर पे आया, जैसे ही मैं घर पे आया, someone was shouting, someone was shouting, right? As soon as arrived in this new city, it was raining. जैसे ही मैं सिटी में arrived आया, at that time it was raining. As soon as, जैसे ही मैं सिटी में आया, at that time it was raining. As soon as you finish your work, you can go for play cricket. जैसे ही आप work complete कर लोगे, you can go for play cricket. वैसे ही आप क्रिकेट खेलने जा सकते हो। I will finish this work as soon as possible, right? I will finish this work as soon as possible. इस वर्क को मैं कंप्लीट कर लूँगा as soon as possible. As soon as possible. As soon as you complete the project, you will let me know. जैसे ही आप इस प्रोजेक्ट को कंप्लीट कर लेते हो, उसके बाद मुझे आप बताओ, और let me know, right? As soon as you give your interviews, you talk to HR that whether you got selected or not selected. जैसे ही आप इंटरव्यू HR को देते हो, उसके बाद में आप उससे पूछ सकते हो कि आप सिलेक्टेड हुए हो कि नहीं हुए हो, राइट? यू कैन आस्क टू HR. As soon as I will be on good position in my life, right? As soon as I will be good position in my life. After knowing all kind of vocabularies, as soon as I can able to speak English. राइट, जैसे ही मैं वोकेबलरीज को समझ जाता हूँ, जान जाता हूँ, इंग्लिश बोलने के लिए मेरे लिए इजी हो जाएगा और मैं बोलूँगा। as soon as I will complete my task and then I will take new project. जैसे ही मैं अपने इस टास्क को कंप्लीट कर लूँगा, वैसे ही मैं नए प्रोजेक्ट पे काम करूँगा, राइट? as soon as you understand your problem, you will get solutions. जैसे ही आप अपने प्रॉब्लम को समझोगे, सॉल्यूशंस आपको मिल जाएगा। As soon as speaking English, you will get better opportunities and better facilities. जैसे ही आप इंग्लिश बोलना जान जाओगे, आपको better opportunities मिलेगा और better facilities मिलेगा। As soon as I delivered my informations in the audience will get to know, audience will understand what is the meaning about my topics. As soon as I develop my communication skills, as soon as I completed my work, as soon as I work hard, then at the end I will get success. As soon as, I hope you understand. as soon as, जैसे ही, as soon as you come, you can tell me. जैसे ही आप आते हो, आप मुझे बताओ। because means क्योंकि। मोस्टली पीपल यू हैव हर्ड दैट, ज़्यादातर लोगों को आपने सुना होगा कि बिकॉज यूज़ करते हैं। बिकॉज, जैसे ही, जब तक, अगर नहीं, these are the very most important things. While having conversation, you cannot able to hide these words. These words are very important and you must understand, and you make the phrases and the words as per your understanding. Definitely your communication skill is going to be improved and you are going to learn so many things, right? So because, क्योंकि, because I was not doing practice, I can't able to understand English. क्योंकि मैं प्रैक्टिस नहीं कर रहा था, इसीलिए इंग्लिश को मैं समझ नहीं पा रहा था। बिकॉज आई वॉज नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग द सिचुएशंस आई कांट एबल टू टेक राइट डिसीजन, क्योंकि मैं सिचुएशन को नहीं समझ सकता इसीलिए मैं डिसीजन नहीं ले सकता, राइट। because I never gone through about the study material, I don't know what is meaning of that phrase or that books, क्योंकि मैं उस बुक्स के बारे में नहीं जानता, उस बुक के रीडिंग मटेरियल को मैंने नहीं समझा है, नहीं पढ़ा है, तो मैं कुछ बता नहीं सकता उसके बारे में, राइट। बिकॉज यू आर नॉट ईटिंग यू आर बिकमिंग टू मच वीक, क्योंकि आप खाना नहीं खा रहे हो इसीलिए आप डे बाय डे वीक हो जा रहे हो। बिकॉज यू आर नॉट ईटिंग फूड डे बाय डे यू आर बिकमिंग वीक, बिकॉज एंड बिकॉज के जगह पे हम सो दैट का भी यूज कर सकते हैं, right? Because and so that these are the very similar to each other. You can understand and you can use. Again, there is sense of understanding. There is circumstances such that yes, you can use this word. So yes, you can use this word. So that. So now you can say as long as, jab tak, like as long as you are working on improving your communication skills, you should do hard work. जब तक आप प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो, लर्न कर रहे हो, तब तक आप हार्ड वर्क देना बहुत ज़रूरी है, हार्ड वर्क करना बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है, राइट। एज लॉन्ग एज यू आर डूइंग योर प्रैक्टिस यू शुड डू हार्ड वर्क। एज लॉन्ग एज यू आर डूइंग जॉब यू कैन ऑल्सो डू सम एक्स्ट्रा एक्टिविटीज़, राइट। एज लॉन्ग एज, जब तक आप जॉब कर रहे हो कुछ एक्स्ट्रा वर्क कर सकते हो। एज लॉन्ग एज यू आर इम्प्रूविंग योर कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स you should also enroll yourself in other activities so that you can learn simultaneously. इंग्लिश इम्प्रूवमेंट करने के साथ साथ आप अपने आप को अदर एक्टिविटीज़ में भी एनरोल कर सकते हो so that आप एक साथ लर्न करो और डेवलप करो। एज लॉन्ग एज मीन्स जब तक। एज लॉन्ग एज यू आर नॉट familiar with the vocabularies, the words, you will face always problem in English. As long as you are not understanding the meaning of the vocabularies, you will have always doubt. जब तक आप vocabularies को meaning नहीं समझोगे तब तक आपके पास डाउट रहेगा हमेशा, right? As long as I am working in this company, I will also attend my interviews some another organization. जब तक मैं यहाँ काम कर रहा हूँ या वर्क कर रहा हूँ तब तक मुझे और भी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ को देखना चाहिए किसी अदर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में, राइट। एज लॉन्ग एज आई एम डेवलपिंग माई कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स आई शुड ऑल्सो टेक केयर व्हाट आर द अदर थिंग्स आर इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर मी। जब तक मैं अपनी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स को डेवलप कर रहा हूँ तब तक मैं कुछ और भी चीज़ों को देख सकता हूँ, कुछ और काम कर सकता हूँ, राइट। एज लॉन्ग एज यू आर स्टडिंग यू कैन ऑल्सो रीड द बुक्स, यू कैन ऑल्सो लिसन द थिंग। एज लॉन्ग एज now you can see so that means ताकि you are learning so many grammatical vocabularies and phrase so that you can improve your communication skills. आप vocabularies और grammar को लर्न कर रहे हो ताकि आप अपने communication skills को यूज कर सको, ताकि आप अपने communication skills को डेवलप कर सको, right? until or unless you are not learning the vocabularies you can't able to speak English. Until or unless you are not doing practice you can't able to have the meaning of the words. So that you work hard so that you will get success. If you do hard work so that you can get satisfaction. अगर आप हार्ड वर्क करोगे तो सेटिस्फिकेशन मिलेगा। If you learn about all the things, if you are learning about all the meaning and vocabularies and listening with the people, so that your communication skill will be improved, ताकि आपकी communication skill improved हो पाएगी, right? So that ताकि still मतलब फिर भी, still means फिर भी, still you are not doing practice, still you are facing problem, अभी तक आप problem face कर रहे हो, अभी भी आप practice नहीं कर रहे हो, you don't know how to speak English, you don't know how to run this business, still you are facing the problem, right? Or you have completed your many courses or you have got training, still you are facing problem. You have learned about lots of things, you know so many things, still you are facing problem, right? Still means फिर भी। You are studying in coaching center, still you can't able to speak English. आप कोचिंग सेंटर में पढ़ रहे थे फिर भी आपने इंग्लिश बोलना नहीं सीख पाया, right? Still means फिर भी। still I'm thinking about my lifestyle, what will be happen. फिर भी मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि मेरे लाइफ स्टाइल में क्या होगा. I have done lots of things, still I'm thinking about that what could be happen and how it could be happen and what I'm going to do. I'm facing the problem still, because I have lots of things, but still I'm facing and still I'm thinking about what could happen, क्या होगा. And still you have lots of information and knowledge, still you are thinking about how to develop, right? आपके पास information and knowledge है, फिर भी आप सोच रहे हो कि कैसे और progress मैं करूँ, still, right? Government has done so many plan, still we are thinking that to whom give our vote, right? Still means फिर भी, still you are not completing this work, still you are not understanding your situations, you face lots of problem in previous time, still you are not conscious about all those things, like still you are not conscious about all those things. फिर भी आप चीज़ों के बारे में conscious नहीं हो, जागरूक नहीं हो, still you know your situation is not good, still you are not doing practice, right? फिर भी आप प्रैक्टिस नहीं कर रहे हो, आपकी सिचुएशन अच्छी नहीं है, फिर भी आप प्रैक्टिस नहीं कर रहे हो, फिर भी आप सोच रहे हो कि यार कैसे मैं डेवलपमेंट करूं, कैसे मैं और लर्न करूं, कैसे प्रोग्रेस करूं. स्टिल यू आर थिंकिंग. Or maybe there are so many people, they only talk about that I wanted to development, I wanted to speak English, I wanted to learn all the things, still they are not doing the work. फिर भी वो काम नहीं कर रहे हैं, फिर भी अपने रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ को एग्जीक्यूट नहीं कर रहे हैं, राइट? दे डोंट नो हाउ टू स्पीक, दे डोंट नो हाउ टू प्रैक्टिस, बट स्टिल दे आर नॉट डूइंग what needs to be done, what needs to be practice. Why? Can you ask yourself, have you ever thought that? कभी भी आपको ऐसा लगा है कि मुझे आता भी नहीं और मैं फिर भी मैं प्रैक्टिस नहीं कर रहा हूँ. स्टिल मीन्स स्टिल, फिर भी after knowing about my situations, my condition, still I'm not awareing about the life responsibilities. Why? Can you ask, can you believe that what I'm saying, is it right, is it true? Say comments and let me know what do you think, right? Now I hope you understand about the meaning of the words, because these are the important and you have to use it, you have to understand. बूंद बूंद से घड़ा भरता है, तो आप छोटे छोटे स्मॉल वोकेबलरीज से आप अपने इंग्लिश को इम्प्रूवमेंट करने की कोशिश करो. ये मत सोचो कि ये बहुत स्मॉल वर्ड्स है, मैं जानता हूँ. यस यू नो, मे बी यू नो, बट मे बी यू डोंट नो हाउ टू यूज इन सेंटेंसेस, और मे बी यू नो हाउ टू यूज इन सेंटेंसेस, बट इवन यू आर फेसिंग प्रॉब्लम, इवन यू नीड टू डेवलपमेंट. Maybe you know about all these words meaning, but still you are not using this, still you are not utilizing in your communication skills while having conversation with anybody, right? Maybe you must, because polishing is everything. To polish your communication skills, to learn something new, definitely it will give you chance to grow in life. You will, I told you, बूंद बूंद से घड़ा भरता है, तो आपको छोटे छोटे स्मॉल वर्ड से भी प्रैक्टिस करने की कोशिश करना चाहिए. That's what is the nature's rule, right? You can't achieve anything like directly, you can't hit anything like immediately. It will take time, it needs your efforts, it needs your attentions. Whenever you won the battle of those things, definitely you can speak, you can talk, you will not face problem, hesitation will be removed and confidence will come. You will satisfied, then you will think that yes, I'm enjoying the life. Otherwise you will be crying and criticizing about yourself, right? You have to understand. Still now then, पता ही आप लोगों को then का यूज ज़्यादातर मोस्टली पीपल यूज करते हैं. then I will complete this work, then I will take care restness. I will complete my home task, then I will go to the watch the movie. पहले सबसे पहले मैं अपना घर का काम करूँगा, then तब उसके बाद है ना, then और तब उसके बाद I will go to watch the movie, right? इसका there is like इसका यही मीनिंग ही नहीं होता है. then means तब और उसके बाद. You can use, I told you in English there is not any particular meaning, you have to understand how you have to use and what are the like it should make sense, that yes, yeah, I know and I can use, right? Then first you complete your work, then you can go to play. पहले आप अपना काम करो, तब आप खेलने के लिए जा सकते हो. Then you go to the park and enjoy your games. तब although means हालांकि, right? Although Mostly time you have seen that the people speak although. Using although they say lots of words. Using although they express themselves. Using although they describe themselves in a right way, or they give the right description about anything, right? Although. Sin means halanki. Although your communication skill is not good, but you are speaking, right? Although. हालांकि आपका कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स अच्छा नहीं है, फिर भी आप प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो, फिर भी आप बोल रहे हो. Although I am speaking English. Although, my dear, you can see I am not like native speaker. English is not my first language, second language. English is my third language. Although I am teaching you, although I am understanding the problem. हालांकि मैं प्रॉब्लम को समझ रहा हूँ, इंग्लिश जो मेरी लैंग्वेज नहीं है, फर्स्ट और सेकंड नहीं है, फिर भी although, हालांकि, फिर भी. although का मीन्स यहाँ हम फिर भी का भी यूज कर सकते हैं, राइट? फिर भी. although I can speak good English. Although you don't have meaning of, although you don't know there are many things in English, even you are speaking English, right? There are so many people, they don't know about so many things about English things, although they are speaking English. बहुत सारे लोगों को ये पता नहीं है इंग्लिश के बारे में completely. हालांकि although they are speaking, right? Although he has not that much information, but he is working. हालांकि उसके पास सारा इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं है, फिर भी वो काम कर रहा है, राइट? हालांकि. although मीन्स फिर भी, या हालांकि. although you are doing MBA, although your financial condition is not good. आप MBA कर रहे हो, हालांकि आपका कंडीशंस अच्छा नहीं है, राइट? although you are doing English practice, you don't have time. हालांकि आपके पास टाइम नहीं है, फिर भी आप इंग्लिश की प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो, राइट? I'm doing job, I don't have time, although I'm teaching here. मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है, फिर भी मैं यहाँ पढ़ा रहा हूँ, राइट? टीच कर रहा हूँ, एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूँ, चीज़ों को फैसिलिटेट कर रहा हूँ, मैं इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको दे रहा हूँ, राइट? although I hope you understand, right? although you wanted to development, although you wanted to see the development of your life, and you are thinking about so many things. हालांकि या फिर भी. मुझे मूवी देखना अच्छा नहीं लगता, फिर भी मैं जाता हूँ, राइट? although I don't like to watch cricket, still I am watching, राइट? हालांकि मुझे क्रिकेट देखना पसंद नहीं है, फिर भी मैं देख रहा हूँ, राइट? still. although. as far as. now you can see as far as, जहाँ तक. as far as you will do your work, definitely you will get to know about the things. जहाँ तक आप अपनी प्रैक्टिस करोगे, आपको समझ में आएगा कि मुझे क्या करना है. as far as I am taking the decision, I will also take some another work to do. जब तक मैं अपना डिसीजन लेता हूँ, मैं कुछ और भी कर सकता हूँ. as far as my concerns, I will be very richest person in the world. as far as their concerns, they will take care the right responsibilities. as far as companies concerns, they will hire only the right people, only the best brain from the market, right? जहाँ तक कंपनी की हायरिंग का प्रोसेस है, वो मार्केट से उन लोगों को लेंगे जिसके पास अच्छे ब्रेन है, जिसके पास राइट माइंडसेट है. as far as government policies comes, we must enjoy and we must understand. as far as you know your responsibilities, you can achieve anything in life. as far as you know what you have to do, as far as you are understanding your responsibilities, you can learn English easily. as long as you have been doing practice, you can improve your communication skill. as long as you have been practicing reading, writing, speaking, definitely you will improve your communication skills. because you are improving your communication skills, because you are doing practice and reading the things, right? क्योंकि आप रीडिंग कर रहे हो, प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो, ताकि आप अपने इंग्लिश को इम्प्रूवमेंट कर सको. because I am very dedicated and I take care my lifestyle and I do things on daily basis and regularly basis, and I am progressing and I am doing my best and I am learning the things, right? because as soon as I learn all these vocabularies, my English will be good. as soon as I am developing my communication skills, I feel good and great and I will be satisfied. as soon as you will see me on the right positions, as soon as I am going to achieve my objectives, my targets and my goal, right? as soon as, until until I'm not satisfied with my answer, I will make it, I will research, and I will do everything, then I will get to know about. Until or till that moment I am not doing anything, I must do some practice. Instead of wasting time, I should do some great things, right? Unless you are not worrying about your life, you can't do anything. जब तक आप life के बारे में worry नहीं हो पाओगे, you can't do anything, or you can't able to take right decision, and decision will not be taken by you, and you will face problem. You should not face the problem, you should learn the things, and definitely your communication skill will be improved, right? Although you don't have varieties of meaning, although you don't know the old meanings and all grammatical things, even though you are speaking, right? Although you are speaking English, although you don't have much informations. आप इंग्लिश बोल रहे हो हालांकि आपके पास इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं है, बट दैट थिंग इज गुड, एंड दैट व्हाट you want, and that what I want as well, right? As far as my concerns, I will take care what I have to do, right? So that as long, because as soon as, right? Unless, अगर नहीं, till और until जब तक नहीं, as soon as जैसे ही, because क्योंकि, as long as जब तक, so that ताकि, still फिर भी, then तब, हालांकि, although हालांकि, as far as. My dear friend, there is not any certain meaning in Hindi. English you can use, you have to understand what is the sense, is it making sense, then you can use, right? There is not any particular meaning in Hindi, you can speak, because these are the very similar to each other. Unless, until, or till, as soon as, right? As long as, so that, still, and although, right? Still and although, these are also very similar term to each other. You have to understand, right? Whenever you know about all the things, you will feel good, and you can describe about anything, you can talk freely and nicely, you will not feel hesitations, you will have much more confidence, and you can speak English smoothly and confidently. Clarity and better understanding will come, and definitely you will not lose your self confidence, your motivations will be on high and peak moment, and you will think that yes, your path of progress is happening, and you are enjoying your lifestyle. Definitely you should enjoy, and you should learn. So keep doing practice, keep understanding the thing, research the different kind of meanings and vocabularies. Definitely you are going to achieve so many things, right? Here I want to give you as much as informations, so that you can improve your communication skills, and you will learn. My dear friend, please do subscribe and share with your friends and relatives, or anywhere those where people can understand and they learn things. If you haven't watched my previous videos, there are many things which I have uploaded on YouTube. Please do visit, watch full, because बूंद बूंद से घड़ा भरता है. तो आपको you need to understand the importance of learning. You need to understand, yes, I should do practice and spend time. Spending time is important, and consistently practice is golden opportunities. It can sharp your skills, your mind, and your thoughts. So you should do practice. Please share and subscribe, and thank you very much for learning and enjoying learning with me. I'm very glad and thankful to you. Thank you. Have a wonderful night, day, or morning. Thank you so much.